I'm just a-sitting in the balcony, just a-watching the movie, or maybe it's a symphony, I wouldn't know. I don't care about the symphony, these are symbols in the tambourine, just a-sitting in the balcony, on the very last row. I hold your hand and I kiss you too, but these can't hold them, 'cause we're not through. Oh, I'm just sitting in the balcony, holding hands in the balcony, just sitting in the balcony, on the very last row. Stop loving to watch Bugs Bunny, but they can't take them. They send my honey. Oh, I'm just a-sitting in the balcony, just a-smooching in the balcony, just a-sitting in the balcony, on the very last row. Just a hugging, a kissing my baby in the very last row. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it's a rockabilly boogie. A rockabilly boogie. A rockabilly boogie. A rockabilly boogie. A rockabilly boogie tonight. Well, I know a little spot at the edge of town where you can really pick 'em up and settle down. It's a little place called the Alleyway. You do the rockabilly to the break of day. Well, it's a rockabilly boogie. A rockabilly boogie. A rockabilly boogie tonight. Well, they pick up shoes, getting ready to bop. They're gonna rockabilly, but we're wearing socks. You really ain't hip, but do you feel the thrill? So come a little baby, do the rockabilly bit. Well, it's a rockabilly boogie. A rockabilly boogie. A rockabilly boogie tonight. Little Susie turning 17. Everybody knows that she's a rockabilly queen. There's old Slim, as quiet as a mouse. Slapped old shoes, she will tear up the house. Well, it's a rockabilly boogie. A rockabilly boogie. A rockabilly boogie tonight. Well, it's a rockabilly boogie. A rockabilly boogie. A rockabilly boogie. A rockabilly boogie. A rockabilly boogie tonight.